Hi, welcome back. This is Mike from Tradenostix, and in this video, I will be giving you a brief rundown of the different modules that make up our application once you've integrated your data. Let's begin by looking at the nav bar over here to the left, and you can see that our system is broken down into three sections. We have our overview, reports, and widgets. Let's start by looking at this overview page. Every time you log into our system, this will be the first page that you are prompted to. And it is here where you can see your current portfolio value, as well as the 24-hour change in value to your portfolio in both base and percent format. And you can see all of the coins that you are currently holding. For example, you can see here that I'm holding 32.3 Ethereum, which has a current value of around 1.82 Bitcoin. And the 24-hour change in value of that holding is around 0.027 Bitcoin, or 1.53% up. And Ethereum is currently going for around 0.056395 Bitcoin in the market. On the top right here, you can toggle between Bitcoin or US dollar, depending on how you like to view your portfolio. And also keep in mind that our system is automated. So given that you've integrated with your exchanges, as you buy or sell and make changes to your portfolio, those changes will be reflected here automatically. Lastly, this page is optimized to work on mobile, so you can simply log into your Tradenostix account and view your portfolio on the go. Let's move on to reports now by clicking on the Reports tab here to the left. And you can see that we have 4 different reports. I will not be running each report or explaining each report in detail. I am simply going to run 1 or 2 reports to show you how they work. Let's run a holdings report. All of our reports are configurable, meaning that there are different parameters you can set before generating a report. Here on the holdings report, you can run this as of a given day. You can run this and all of our reports in either Bitcoin or US dollar. And then there's a couple other parameters here if you want to include your offline holdings in the report, or if you want to show your coins by exchange. Everything here looks good by me, so I will press generate. And the holdings report shows you all of your open positions as of a given day and your unrealized profit loss. And here we are. All of our reports have grand totals at the bottom. On this holdings report, for example, we show the total fees paid and the total cost, your market value, and your unrealized profit loss. You can export all of our reports to Excel by pressing on this Excel button here to the right. And I'll show you what that export looks like. Here we go. These exports are great for further slice and dicing your data and analyzing your portfolio. You can also search on all of our reports if there's a specific coin you would like to analyze. And you can export to Excel based on that search. Here we are. Now, let's move on to another report. To jump to another report, you can simply select it from the drop-down menu here to the right under Jump to Report. Let's go to our Transactions report. Our Transactions report can be ran by any date range. Let's say I want to see everything that I have transacted from May 1st to today. And I don't want to include my margin trades. And I'll hit Generate. And here we are. This is everything I've transacted from May 1st to today, normalized to Bitcoin, showing a grand total of total fees and a net total here on the bottom. I will export this to Excel as well to show you what this looks like. And here we go. Now let's move on to our widgets. You can find our widgets by clicking on this pie chart looking icon here to the left. And you'll see that we have 2 widgets, our allocations widget and our winners and losers widget. Let's start with our allocations widget. The allocations widget shows you your portfolio distribution at both an aggregate level as well as by exchange. And it shows you the percentage of your different holdings. Along with our overview, our widgets are also optimized to work on mobile. so you can view these widgets on the go. Now let's move on to our winners and losers widget. This widget shows you who is hurting or helping your portfolio the most given your current holdings. And you can see that here. Currently, Pivx is helping my portfolio the most, and Sia Coin is hurting it the most. And that wraps it up. I'll go back to our overview. I hope this video was helpful. We will be posting more videos in the future. So, thank you for watching and stay tuned.